All right, we got a 2010 Jeep with an interesting complaint. It would crank. You hold the key to crank. It would crank for a second or so, then it would quit. And you just keep holding the key, then it would start cranking some more for a little while, and then quit. Wouldn't start. And so the clue to this was in the ECM data. And so I'm going to show you here a capture, and that led me to the things to check to fix this thing. It was a simple problem. Could have easily got a TIPM, could have easily got an ECM, could have got anything. But so this is going to be in an upcoming class, and I think you guys will find it interesting because one of the things we're going to do is explore exactly how the stupid starting system works, the cranking system. Because you got a relay, crank relay, and the relay coil gets power from one module and ground from another. So you got two modules, the TIPM and the PCM, working together to provide input to this crank relay. So we'll be covering that. I think you'll find it interesting. I did. So the answer, or at least the place to go to test, is in the scan data. It's right there waiting to be discovered.